Trading stocks, options on stocks, futures, options on futures, and retail off exchange foreign currency transactions, Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance, whether actual or indicated by historical tests of strategies, is no guarantee of future performance or success. There is a possibility that you may sustain a loss equal to or greater than your entire investment, regardless of which asset class you trade, equities, options, futures, or Forex. Therefore, you should not invest or risk money that you cannot afford to lose. TradeGuider Limited is an authorized representative of Forex Max Limited and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority number 229906. G'day folks, this is Danny Younes from Supercharge Wyckoff VSA.com. I'm the author of Supercharge Your Trading and Investment Account using Wyckoff Volume Spread and Analysis. Today's video, just wanted to take you through the British pound versus the US dollar. And at TradeGuider, we've been speaking about there's a lot of weakness within the British pound. Okay, so, and yesterday was the perfect trading conditions to take a short trade with the British pound versus the US dollar. Now, on Monday, I wrote a article and I mentioned about the British pound US. We were in this ascending triangle. Okay, and as you can see, we can start seeing the price starting to squeeze within this trend line and this resistance level. Okay, so I did mention, yes, it will come back and retest this resistance level. All right, and for me to take a long trade, I would need it to break above this level and retest and push higher. Okay, but it did the exact opposite. It actually broke the trend line. Okay, now when I'm looking at trend lines, what I wait for is the retest. And we got that retest. Here's the break. All right, we did see some strength coming in, and that's what caused the price to come back up towards that trend line. And then we got a major news announcement coming up, and we saw the British pound just weaken against the US dollar. Now, with this bar here, it was an ultra high wide range down bar, and it's a trap up move. All right, so what a trap up move is basically they want the retail traders to go long, so they start to push the price up and they just lock them in and they slam the price down. Okay, and you see that it closes on the lows there. Okay, so but looking at the pricing action after that ultra high volume bar, we got an up bar. All right, we got an up bar which was on lower volume, and we got another up bar which was on much lower volume. Okay, so for the price to start moving back up, all right, there's really no demand, right? There's no volume, there's no activity for price to go back up. Okay, we can see as the price is going up, the volume is going down. Okay, and we see they slam it down again, and it just weakens. Okay, so that is the trade there, or there's the setup. Now we took some setups off the 5-minute chart yesterday. Okay, and the setup was here. So if I can just do that, okay. All right, so here we have, there's the news. All right, saw price retrace, all right, and then come back down. We got trend alignment, all right, in the time frames, and we had this trap up move, which is a severe sign of weakness. Okay, so with that pushing down, next bar was down, which confirmed that signal. Okay, and then we saw prices just kept on pushing down. Okay, so that was the trade setup yesterday with the British pound US. Okay, a lot of weakness in the background. The this ultra high volume bar, the volume got tested. Right, it was on much lower volume. Prices got pushed down, and we just needed to wait for a confirmed VSA principle, which we got, which was the sign of weakness 58, the trap up move. And we can see that it pushed down further. Now, if we look at the British pound, right? So from that move, we saw some sideways movement, and now we've got another push down. Okay, now let's have a look at the Smart Center Pro. Okay, and what it's showing us. All right, so the Smart Center Pro is showing the following. We've got the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute, and the 15-minute charts are trending down. Okay, the 5-minute chart is up, and the 1-minute chart is basically sideways. So it looks like we may be headed down. We've got some supply coming in, or no demand coming in. It's a widespread up bar. Okay, so it looks like we're going to see some downward pressure. But I would like to see the 5-minute start to turn down, and we're likely to see this support level tested once again. Okay, so it's currently sitting at 126.08. Supports around about the 125.90 level, so that's where we're likely to see price come down towards. There'll be some buying here, but if we do get some signs of weakness around these levels here, then we'll certainly see lower prices. But this is what the professional traders do, right? So they're pushing the price down, and then all of a sudden they mark the price up, right? So they want to get in at a better price. Okay, so they mark the price up, and you can see that that is weakness here. Look at where the bar has closed. Okay, that's where the bar's closed. Okay, that is not strength. Right, the bar's closed in the middle of the range, so that is weakness. And we can see the next two bars are down. Okay, so we're gonna see the British pound certainly make its way down towards this supporting level. Now, if we look at the 15-minute chart, we just got a VSA principle come through, all right, and that is a upthrust. Okay, so a upthrust is a sign of weakness. They open it on the lows, they mark the price up, and they close the bar towards the lows. Okay, so that is weakness. Okay, so again, we're starting to see confirmation here now on the 5-minute that there is weakness, and now on the 15-minute. Okay, if we go up to the 30-minute, it looks like we may see a upthrust form, or we possibly could see a trap up move as well form here. Okay, so certainly weakness. Here's the weakness. Okay, they retrace on low volume, certainly no buying pressure, and they push the price down. Okay, so this is looks like it's poised to go further down. Okay, first hurdle, we just need to get past that 125.90 level. Okay, where there is certainly buying here. We've got stopping volume on the 1 hour. We've got a climactic action. Okay, um, so we may come back down to this level here, where it'll certainly test it. All right, and if it tests and fails, then it'll push down lower. If it tests and shows that there is strength, then we'll certainly push higher from these levels. So we'll see how this progresses over the next few hours. And if there's anything interesting occurring, I'll post another video. Okay, folks, hope you have a great trading day. Um, and I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.